Hey guys, it's Ryan and Sam with Launch the Journey. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Builderall and how that platform can help you not only build the capture pages and stuff you need, but it's a really good business opportunity. And we're going to get in here. I'm going to show you some pages that we have built and also the calculator. This is my wife Sam here, and this is me. This is whenever we went to Pensacola on the beach. We stayed in a condo down there and had a really good time. We actually saw several mornings we'd walk on the beach and we saw dolphins, a school of dolphins out there. It's just amazing. So this is what we want to do in the future. Travel. You can work this business on the road, on vacation. That's the benefits of working from home and having your own business. Is you can go and do whatever you want, plus the money continues to roll in. So that's what passive income is. And if you don't have any passive income right now, you really need to start thinking about that for the future. That way you can travel and also work a business at the same time. You go over here to core businesses. This business at the top is our primary high ticket product. It's initially $30 to get involved in, and then if they want other products within the platform, it's upsell. So it's $2,500 to upgrade to this one. But what we're going to talk about here is the secondary business opportunity, which is Builderall, and you can watch this video here, which is going to be the same that's on the capture page. So this video and this video is the exact same. So we're going to talk to you about the funnels that we're going to give you, and we're going to introduce you to Liam James K in the video, and then you'll be able to go through the funnel process and see the exact same funnel that we're going to give you so you can start marketing. It's pretty much a system that's already done for you. All you have to do is like put some links in place and then just start advertising, which we also give you places to advertise your capture pages. So go through this funnel process. That way you know exactly what it's going to look like whenever you get involved. The capture page that we have built for our lead generation page, it was built in Builderall, and for everybody who joins our team, we're going to be giving them this exact same funnel that we've created, and all you'll have to do is replace this video here. So this is the funnel that we've set up. It has our ebook that we wrote on affiliate marketing mastery, so we're giving that away for free so that we can capture the email addresses. So if you want to go through this funnel, grab the ebook, read the ebook, and then you can turn around and write your own. And then whenever we give you this funnel process, you can give your ebook away for free to capture email addresses. So as soon as somebody puts in their email address and they click this button here to go on to the funnel process with Liam James K, they will go on over here, and this is your name will show up here at the top, and this is the funnel process for our team. So you capture the email address here, you're providing value, you're giving them an ebook, and then they're going to go on over here. They're going to watch these videos with Liam.
Hello and welcome. You're on this page because you've been invited to a groundbreaking challenge that could really change your life.
Payday was today for Builderall, and so it's a really good opportunity. We are doing the $1 Million Challenge with our group, so we're wanting to have 1,000 people generate at least $1,000 in passive income on a monthly basis, and you'll be able to add to that every single month and continue to make more money and more money as long as you put in the effort, and all you have to do is advertise your capture page here. And so whenever you go through the funnel process, as soon as you put in your email address, you're going to be getting our ebook right here. So it's Affiliate Marketing Mastery, and you will get this ebook. If you have any questions from me or Sam, just fill out this questions page, contact us page on our website, and we'll be able to get it and respond to you. You can also respond to the comments in the YouTube videos as well. All right, so this is Sam and I's YouTube channel. If you're not already, it's pretty new. We just now started a couple weeks ago. We're getting the videos out there, and so go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell notification. That way, whenever we come out with new videos, that you'll be able to notify, and you'll be able to watch them straight away. The calculator, and let me show you. So Builderall has a two-tier income structure, affiliate structure, and it's really great because it really benefits for you helping your team grow. So two tiers, so your front line, and then whatever your front line gets, you actually get paid on that. So if let's just say if you were to get 2 people per month and you train your team to get 2 people per month. So this is earnings calculator. How many licenses can you sell in 1 year? So 2 times 12 months would be 24. How many will work as affiliates? So we're promoting the business account because we want everybody, we're trying to reach people who want a business. So let's say all 24 of your sales are going to be business accounts. So all 24 is going to work the business, and they're going to get 2 people per month for 12 months. So they're also going to do 24 apiece. So whenever I put this in here, this will actually be your 13th month income right here, because it takes a year to get to this point. So on your 13th month with this system, just getting 2 people a month, you will be at $8,900 in revenue on a monthly basis. The two-tier system, and you helping your team get out. So Sam and I are going to be doing weekly webinars for our team to show them how to use the builder, show them all the tools. And you can see here in Builderall, so you have my sites here. These are sites you've already started. You can build a new site. You can go to sales funnel and build a new sales funnel. It's a drag and drop responsive builder, which is really amazing. On top of that, Builderall has an autoresponder. Now, if you go to like some of the top autoresponders, you might be paying $50 a month for a couple thousand leads. Now, this business account and all these tools you're getting for $50 a month, and that allows you to have a business. You can build your website, you can build your funnels, all for $50 a month. That is just amazing, especially knowing with just 2 people a month and your team doing 2 people a month, that you can generate $100,000 a year income. So it's just a $50 investment and you're in business. So that's pretty amazing. I actually have a webinar that I haven't tested yet, but you can go in here into the webinar and you can create a new webinar. I've started one, but I haven't really played with it a lot just yet. If you have any questions or anything, just let us know down there in comments. I'm going to put this link here down in the description. All you have to do is copy this, paste it into your browser. You'll come to this capture page here. You'll put in your email address here. You'll hit send, and then you'll go through the funnel process and see Liam James K's videos. And just make sure it says Ryan and Sam Hill at the top. That way you'll be able to get our funnels along with Liam's funnels also. And that's pretty much it. I mean, as soon as you go through this, you'll watch the videos, you'll sign up for an account, you'll be on our team. We'll reach out to you, get you started and get your funnels, and help you get the funnel process set up, and then even give you the places where you'll need to market the products. And then we'll get you onto our team. Our team email where we will email you on a weekly basis, letting you know when the webinar, the team webinar training will be. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, interact with us down there in comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for us and hit that bell notification, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.